Hey, my name is Auren. So, this is the first in a series of podcast episodes where we're gonna explore and learn how to create real change. And it's not by forcing things, but by aligning your energy, identity, and thoughts with what you actually want. So, we're going deep into topics like energetic alignment, money, love, self worth, detachment, frequency, and quantum creation. So it's all in a way that's clear, easy to understand, and actually works. Yeah, so let's break this down clearly. You don't attract what you want, you attract what feels normal for you to have. So if your goal still feels far away, unrealistic, or like a long shot, your energy is already pushing it away. So, for example, you want to manifest $5,000, but every time you think about money, your stomach tightens. So speak about it like it's always a struggle, and you check your account with anxiety. So even if you say, I'm abundant, your body is still saying, I don't feel safe with money. So the universe listens to your dominant signal, not your words. So there's three common reasons your manifestation might feel stalled. You're too attached to how and when. You're watching the clock. You're checking for signs that creates pressure. And pressure is not receiving energy. So you're trying to earn it. You're over efforting, journaling, scripting, meditating, but not from joy, from fear that you're not doing enough. So that's also not aligned. You're acting from your current reality, not your desired one. So you say you want change, but your choices still reflect the old version of you. And here's the truth. That version can't create the life you're trying to step into. So how do you fix it? Well, you begin to act as if, but not in a fake, forced way. You ask, if this were already mine, how would I think? How would I move? And what would I stop doing? So let's make it real. If you want confidence, you stop waiting to feel ready to be confident, right? You start speaking, dressing, and deciding like someone who backs themselves now, right now. If you want to attract money, don't spend recklessly, but stop obsessing over every cent and start treating your time and energy like someone whose future is expanding, not shrinking. Say you want to manifest love, you have to stop replaying rejection. Clean your space, make emotional room, and start saying no to anything that doesn't feel like respect. So that's the real acting as if. You're not pretending, you're becoming. A few years ago, I was doing all the things visualizing, journaling, staying positive, meditating, saying affirmations all day. But deep down, I still felt like it probably wouldn't happen for me. I just couldn't believe it. So that quiet doubt was running the show. And so I shifted. I started asking every morning, how would I show up if it was already done? I answered differently. I walked into rooms with more calm. I stopped chasing and I started allowing myself, not allowing everyone else. And that shift in energy changed everything. So you have to decide what you want. Just write it down clearly, no fluff. And you have to stop asking for it over and over, because you already did. You have to ask this one daily. What would I stop tolerating if this was already my reality? Live from that clarity and make small shifts. Try to speak differently. Even 10% more alignment creates momentum. Check for contradiction. Are you saying you're abundant but feeling guilty every time you rest? Are you saying you want love but you're constantly playing it safe? Your reality reflects your honest signal. So try to clean that up and things move faster. So if manifestation hasn't been working, it doesn't mean you're broken or you have to give up. It just means you're ready to shift out of the wishing stage and into the creating stage. So this is just the beginning. So if you found this valuable, hit subscribe, leave a comment, because we got a lot more to cover inside the Quantum Manifestation Lab. So you're not here to chase your desires. You're here to become the version of you who receives them with ease. I'm Auren, and I'll see you in the next episode.